Welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English past question. This session deals with the test of oral. Question number 1 says, choose from the options letter A to E the one that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the underlined letters. So the word here is if. Then letter E is underlined here. So we have to look at the word among this list of options that contains this sound if. So the first thing must bear in mind is that is it the underlined letter, is it long E or short E? So this is the sign for what we call short E, while this is a sign for what we call long E. So we have long E vowel sound and we have short E vowel sound. So when we talk, the option A is pronounced as im. Option B is pronounced as key. So key. Option C is pronounced as pit. Option D is pronounced as pretty. Option E is pronounced as senate. The letter A, yes, is represented by schwa sound. So the correct option here is option B. Option B is the correct option. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.